Uni Ayur, a path towards health, success, and prosperity. India has been famous for her culture and tradition for more than 1,000 years. India's unity stands out in the world for different religions, languages, and scripts. If we go back to history, India is one such country wherein Ayurveda not only has taken its birth here, but it has been uprised with full faith. Due to today's fast and changing lifestyle, mother of Ayurveda, India is now surrounded only with diseases. Poor diet, pollution, and negligence towards health and fitness has led to an increasing number of diseased people. Today, every person is suffering from cancer and diabetes and many other problems, which means more and more people are becoming victims of diseases. If we talk about infectional diseases, our country probably is number one. We aren't even behind when it comes to serious diseases such as tuberculosis or heart diseases. According to a survey conducted by WHO, which says if India isn't able to save its people from diseases, then by 2020, India would be number one in having bigger diseases. Do you know why this is happening? Today, the way metro city culture has been getting encouraged, people have forgotten why exactly do they eat. People do eat food, but they aren't able to understand that the food that they eat, does the body require it in reality? If we talk about fast food such as pizza, chow mein, burger, which is slowly becoming a need in every person's life. However, earlier, did India suffer from any disease when no such food existed? Probably no. 100 to 150 years ago, India was such a country wherein people lived up to 200 to 400 years. And if we see contemporary research, then they are called hypocrites who have a 2 lakh old history, who believe that a human's medicines are his food and his food is his medicine. Earlier, humans were inculcated with values in order to live life to the fullest. However, in modern times, a person lives his life wishing for a big car or spacious flat, which means only for comfort and luxury. People tend to forget that they are struggling hard to provide everything to the body, but that same body is stuck in a vicious circle surrounded only by diseases. One day, he is going to spend most of his earnings behind curing these diseases. In order to find a permanent solutions, humans should first try to understand how exactly he should safeguard himself from all the diseases. This can only happen when he embraces the same path which he neglected many years ago. Do you want to know what that is? Uni Ayur, a path towards health, success, and prosperity. Uni Ayur welcomes your first step into its family. It's a 9001-2008 certified company which has come up with an excellent idea to help people to fulfill the needs of their body and at the same time provide employment. Due to this step, Vishwa Manav Adhikar Suraksha Sangh and Parwaz Media House honored Uni Ayur on 10th December 2012 and 10th March 2013 respectively. Uni Ayur has more than 100 merchandise related to health and fitness which are based on the best vegetal sources and ancient Indian Ayurvedic principles along with nature's minute substances. Brands of Uni Ayur are NutriQuana, Detoxis, Aromasis, Unikava, Fresh Cusis, Razicare, Unirobes, AgriCure. Awareness tools. A human body is made out of cells. Tissues are made from cells. Organs from tissues. System from organs. And finally, the entire body is formed. In order to make a human body work, energy is necessary. and to acquire it, he needs to eat every day, since it will help him to be completely active and thus be able to complete tasks. But the underlying question is, in today's times, which vegetables and fruits an individual should eat? Since people prefer junk foods over authentic traditional food. So if a person wants to be healthy and wants to live a lifespan of 100 years, then one has to shake hands with Uni Ayur and walk together on the path of health, success and prosperity. Uni Ayur is one such company which utilizes only those substances which our body needs. An individual's body gets energy completely only when he gets 90 types of nutritional elements, of which the 7 types of major category are proteins, carbohydrates, fat, fiber, vitamins, minerals and water. In order to make our body strong, he needs all these elements. And Uni Ayur merchandise have all these nutrition elements in a perfect ratio of mixture, which will help our body to be healthy in every possible manner. Uni Ayur is the world's best food nutrition supplement and makes use of only particular preservatives for all its merchandise, which gives you good health, finance and life along with a fantastic business opportunity. Best company, worldwide famous merchandise and incredible employment group. Uni Ayur guarantees you that a wise decision has been taken in this direction. It gives you an opportunity of direct selling to start one's own business, which will help you touch new horizons of success. Uni Ayur is led by a well-trained employed members, which is not only well experienced but has also made itself recognized in various fields such as administration, business ventures and customer care services. Uni Ayur gives you a brilliant work opportunity like a guiding angel in order to help increase your income. Uni Ayur gives you a chance to be a part of one such organization which brings a new ray of hope in your life and helps you to live the life you have always dreamt of. However, it's only you who can make a difference to your life or continue living your normal life. If you're thinking about your future, then think about Uni Ayur because it leads you to one such path which will only help you to be successful and reach new heights. Other than this, Uni Ayur guarantees you the best merchandise and service as it is doing great in the field of network marketing. Our customer service department is well trained in order to help you take stepping stones towards success. Uni Ayur's head office is situated in India's capital Delhi and its branches are spread throughout our country. Ghaziabad, Bhopal, Patna, Ranchi, Guwahati, Bhubaneswar, Surat, Amritsar, Konkan, Dhantari, Sundargarh, Kolkata and Imphal. So if you want your family and yourself to be free from diseases and give them a fantastic lifestyle along with happiness that they deserve, then contact those people today who have shared this DVD with you, since this path will take you towards health, success and prosperity.
Uniayur Private Limited, 379A, Chirag, Delhi, near Shahid Bhagat Singh College, New Delhi 17.